In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Facebook support through contact form. This process is essential for resolving issues that you may encounter while using Facebook. Now let's get started. First, open Facebook in the app or go to facebook.com in a web browser. When you open the app or website, you'll see the familiar blue and white interface of Facebook. This is where millions of users connect, share, and communicate. If you're on the app, the layout might be slightly different from the desktop version, but the core functions are similar. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions while accessing the site. This initial step is important because it sets the stage for everything else you need to do. Next, sign into your Facebook account. You will need to enter your email or phone number and your password. Once you click the login button, you should be taken to your newsfeed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may also need to confirm your identity through an additional code sent to your device. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can access your account. Once logged in, you will be ready to navigate to the Help section. Now click or tap your profile picture. This can be found at the top left corner of the screen on a computer or at the bottom right on the mobile app. Your profile picture represents your account and serves as a shortcut to access your personal page. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account. This is an important step as it leads you to the settings that will help you get the support you need. From there, select Help and Support. This option is designed to assist users in finding answers to common questions or issues. You may notice several resources available, such as FAQs and community help forums. Clicking on Help and Support is an essential action that directs you to the specific support features Facebook offers. It's reassuring to know that assistance is just a few clicks away. Next, tap or click Report a Problem. This option allows you to formally report any issues you're experiencing. As you click on it, a new window will pop up, guiding you through the reporting process. This step is vital because it helps Facebook understand the nature of your issue and prioritize it accordingly. You'll find that reporting problems is straightforward, which makes it easier to seek help. Choose something went wrong, or the option that best matches your issue. Selecting the most relevant option is important because it helps Facebook categorize your problem accurately. This, in turn, can lead to a faster resolution. The choices provided are designed to cater to various common issues, so take a moment to read through them and select the one that fits your situation best. This ensures you're on the right path to getting the assistance you need. After that, complete the contact form by describing the problem and attaching screenshots if applicable. This is your opportunity to provide detailed information about the issue. Be clear and concise in your description, as this helps the support team understand what you are facing. If you have any screenshots that demonstrate the problem, attaching them can provide additional context. This step is crucial because the more information you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to help you. Finally, submit the form and wait for Facebook to review your report. After you hit submit, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your report has been received. Facebook will then take some time to investigate the issue. This waiting period can vary, so be patient. It's reassuring to know that your concern has been logged and will be addressed. Remember, Facebook also provides specialized contact forms for specific issues like hacked accounts and privacy concerns. If your issue falls within those categories, using the corresponding form in the Help Center can lead to faster assistance. Facebook generally does not offer email or phone support for most user accounts, so utilizing the contact form is your best route to resolution.